Your very first step will be and should always be unplugging your machine from its power source. Installing the clear token hardware on a Speed Queen commercial washer and Speed Queen commercial dryer. Model numbers shown. Here's the wiring harness supplied by Clear Token, along with its Bluetooth transmitter. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna disconnect the 12 pin connection right here. We're just gonna let that sit on the side, and then with our wiring harness, we'll connect there. The other terminal, this black one, will connect here to the 2-pin connector. And the other end of our supplied wiring harness will go to this. And then we'll just let this rest inside the machine. We'll go ahead and close the panel back up and plug the power back in, and it'll be ready to go. In this specific situation, these machines were on a card system, so we're gonna go ahead and be removing that hardware, and it'll look like this once we do so. And then we're gonna go ahead and apply the supplied piece of acrylic by Clear Token. We'll just go ahead and adhere it there. Once you've restored power and your machine gives you an error code, you're gonna have to look at the DIP switches, dip switches, which are these ones right here. In this particular situation, this error code is referring to no card reader installed. So what we have to do is, on these switches here, the switch located in slot number 3 is in the on position, so we're going to go ahead and turn it off. And then we're going to power cycle the machine, and that'll take care of the issue. And when you're all done, this is what the finished product will look like.